from Organized to Save. Thank you so much for coming to check out another one of my videos, or if you are new, welcome. So in today's video, we did a $10 challenge to overhaul under the kitchen sink. So today's video is actually a collaboration video, which is really exciting. I partnered with Maria from the Artsy Cupcake, and I will let her introduce herself here.
Hello, I'm Maria from Artsy Cupcake. I'm so excited to be doing this collab with Lindsay. I love watching how she teaches you to get organized to save you time, money, and space. I also do home organizing videos on my channel, along with tips on how to perfect the art of life, home, health, and style. I want to create a happy and helpful community, so I hope you'll come check out my channel and subscribe to be part of the Artsy Cupcake crew.
So Maria and I both took $10 and overhauled our under the kitchen sink cabinet. Now, I love how mine turned out, and I really hope it gives you guys some inspiration on how you can organize on a super cheap budget. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe now so that way you don't miss out on any of the fun videos coming your way. I do new videos every Wednesday, so make sure you hit the little notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And let's go ahead and just dive in on this $10 under the kitchen sink challenge. Alright guys, so this is what I have going on right now. So as you can see, it is just kind of a hodgepodge, cluttered mess. There's no rhyme or reason why anything is down here. I don't even know why half of this stuff is down here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and clear everything out of the cabinet. Okay, so I've cleared everything out. So what I'm going to do is just kind of sort through this stuff, see what is trash that I can get rid of, and see what I'm going to keep. So there's lots of trash under there. Like, I have no idea why we have a completely empty soap refill bag under there. Alright, so these are the things that I'm going to keep in there, and then I have some other things that I want to actually add into this cabinet, so I'll pull those out in a minute. But everything over there is going to find a different home or go to the trash. So this is what I am working with. So as you can see, it definitely needs a good cleaning, but it is just a open area. I have to deal with all of the pipes and the garbage disposal under there. So after cleaning the cabinet, I headed to the Dollar Tree. They have an amazing selection of organizing products on the cheap, and I only had $10. So here's just a short glimpse showing you what I got from the Dollar Tree, but I'll go ahead and walk you through these in details here in a moment. I'm going to use this shelf liner that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and lay it on the bottom of the cabinet and see how we like it. For this, you will need a old gift card or credit card or something, and then some type of cutting scissors or an X-Acto knife to cut your contact paper. So this right here is all of the stuff that I want to put back in the cabinet, as well as some new things. These are my Norwex kitchen cloths. And then all of this stuff right here is the organizing stuff that we bought from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to put into the cabinet. Go ahead and just start plugging away, organizing this stuff, and putting it into our cabinet. Better, and for only $10 from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what I did here and show you what I used to organize each thing. So we'll go ahead and just start from over here. So I just put all of our dish tablets, emptied out the container that they were in, and put them in here. Simple, easy access. I can just come in here and grab one. And do not worry, this cabinet is locked all the time. We have one of the child safety locks on here, so my daughter's not going to be able to get into here. But it'll be super easy for my husband and I just to come in here and grab a tablet to do the dishes. And then below that, I've got this little container, and in here I have all of my Norwex products that I use in the kitchen. So I have a little scrubber sponge. This is an extra one. I have one out that I used from day to day, but this is just an extra one that I can swap out. And then I have all of my kitchen cloths and my polishing cloth just right in here. And again, I folded these so that they can be they're folded in like file folded, how I fold all of our clothes, so that way it's just super easy to see what ones we have available, and I can come in here and grab it out instead of them being stacked this way. And let's say I need the polishing cloth, well, now I've got to take out the entire thing to get what I want from the bottom. So if I put them in this way, it's super easy, it's right there and I can grab it. So those I just have on the bottom. Then over here, this caddy, I love to use these caddies for all different purposes, but I love how it has the different sections in it. So in here you can see there's like a small little pocket hole. I just put all of these extra scrubbing brushes in there. These are the extra scrubbing heads in here. Put a pair of gloves just in case if there's something really gross that I don't want to touch with my bare hands, I can put on some gloves to wear. And then just the little extra sink stoppers down here. So I like how it has the different divided sections and it's really easy to grab. I actually use this caddy in my cleaning closet. I need to redo that closet too, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. But I use this as like an easy to carry around the house kind of a caddy. But these are also great. I've seen people use these for like fast food in the car. The kid can put their drink in one, fries in another, sandwich in another, and it's just a really great kind of on-the-go caddy. So these are amazing. Again, just $1 from the Dollar Tree. Then in this section here, I knew that I wanted to use this little turntable. I've used this before. I actually have one up in my spice cabinet for all of my oils, but this is great. This is just 2 of those pie pans and then the marbles in it. So with this bar being here, it's kind of hard to, you know, if they were all stacked just behind it, it'd be hard to get around it. So with it being on a nice little turntable, I can easily get to what I need to get to. And what I put in these is just some vinegar and baking soda. I use this occasionally to like deep clean out our sink, and I will take my little scrubber brush here and just scrub it down, get all the gross stuff out. But that is just really easy in the spray bottle. And then this guy just has a little flip up here, so I can just sprinkle it in the sink, spray this over the top, and scrub it down. So really love how this turned out with the little turn, with the little lazy Susan here. Alright, so in this container I put all of our extra stuff. So I have like I have a large thing of the dish soap from Costco in here. I have some extra jet dries, and then our extra dishwashing tablets. So all of those I just kept together, as that is kind of like our refill station. So you just kind of have to play with it and see what will work in your space. I was able to arrange these in a way that it worked around the garbage disposal, but I really like how they are in this caddy here, so I can easily just slide it out when we need to switch something out, but then push it back when we don't need it right away. But another great thing about keeping everything in a container is, let's say that for some reason this dish soap were to leak everywhere. Instead of going all over our nice new contact paper that we put down, it's going to, the majority of it will stay in this cubby. Now I know that it has some holes, but most of the time if it's like a small leak, it's just going to go in the bottom of here, and then I can just easily wipe it out. but that is a great way just to keep everything contained. And as you can notice, as I'm organizing these things, I'm organizing them by, you know, similar products. So like I put all of these little sponge heads together. I put all of my extra brushes together. Put all of my cloths together. So that is it, you guys. For $10, I completely transformed the look of this cupboard. Cleaned it up with putting the contact paper down, and then put all of the organizing bins in here. And if you didn't notice, I used a cohesive color as well, as that just helps keep it looking cleaner when you're looking at your cabinet. So just pick one color and go with it. They happen to have a lot of red stuff at the Dollar Tree when I was shopping there, so that is the color that I ended up going with. And so it really gives it a sense of a personality, just gives it a little bit of pop color, makes it a little bit more cheerful when I'm coming down here to have to do the dishes. Alright guys, so that is it. That is my $10 challenge to organize the under the kitchen sink cabinet. Now give this video a big thumbs up if you like these budget challenges. I would love to do more of these in the future. And don't forget to check out Maria's video to see how she organized her kitchen. But if you haven't already, subscribe below so you don't miss any other fun organizing videos that I have coming at you guys this way. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.